So hi guys, so in today's video we're going to make a soldering hot air station using DIY components to control the main hot air, this one. So binili ko siya sa halagang 340 plus pesos, which is super cheap na kaysa bibili ka ng bagong hot air station with controller siya. I think yung price range niya is something 1,000, and I'm not gonna spend that money for just using it for only emergency purposes. So I will make it DIY, and this is a dimmer like sa LED. So yung main purpose nito is mag-adjust siya ng voltage when you increase and decrease. So base aspects niya is mas prefer to na load is resistive, which is perfect dito kasi resistive siya yung coil niya. And this is the power supply to power the fan in the inside of this, kasi meron siyang, I think, impeller. Yes, impeller siya, parang blower type yung fan niya, and it needs 24 volts to power it. So I'm gonna use this step up converter to step up the 5 volts to 24, and use this potentiometer to adjust the voltage between something 12 to 24 para mas accurate yung temperature niya. And one thing is, meron din siyang temperature sensor dito sa malapit sa heating element, and pwede kong gamitin yung coil, yung temperature sensor niya. Pwede kong gamitin yung multimeter ko, tas yung itong sensor para ma-read yung temperature niya. And ito pala yung case niya, which is sobrang liit. I want to make it compact kasi in case of emergency, something like that, madali lang siyang i-carry. So let's start na tayo, guys. So hi guys, ito na yung final product niya. So natapos ko na siya. As you can see, maliit lang talaga siya. And ito yung switch niya, on and off. Ito yung input niya. And ito yung output na. And ito is yung temperature sensor niya. And ito yung heating adjustment and fan adjustment at indicator. So ito yung inside niya. As you can see, ito yung nagko-control ng init. And yung power supply niya is 5 volts. Tapos boost converter para ma-convert niya 24, and potentiometer para i-lower yung para i-adjust yung 24 volts niya and make it adjustable. So super easy lang yung wiring niya, and test na natin. So ito yung main niya, main AC. So live to. So i-turn on na natin. As you can see, nag-turn on na siya. And let's test the temperature sensor. Click lang nyo to sa settings. And boom. Tapos idikit nyo yung probe. So as you can see, meron siyang 53 and then 54. And i-test natin kung may heating siya. So ito ay paper. And i-adjust natin yung fan niya. And turn on the heat. So as you can see, nag-i-increase siya. So let's see kung kaya niya ba i-burn to. So gawin natin tong 300. 400. As you can see the burn marks. So working siya. As you can see, may umuusok na. And let's try sa real purpose nito is to desolder or resolder some. So ito yung i-test natin. So by the way, para maiwas nyo masunog yung mat, kailangan nyo ng sahig or another metal or wood na para hindi siya masunog. So I'm gonna use this, and kukunin ko muna yung tip niya. So ito yung tip niya. Ito yung tip niya, 5 mm yung size niya. So let's test kung gagana ba siya. Kung kaya ba niya. So ito yung tip niya, 5 mm siya. And let's test natin. So i-adjust natin to hanggang 200. For 400 na siya. So as you can see, kaya niya. And try natin tong inductor. So, kaya din niya. So, yun lang guys. So, kung nagustuhan nyo yung video ko, please subscribe to my channel. And bye!